The fastest American aircraft at every ranks in War Thunder. Rank 1, P-36 Hawk. Top speed, 500 km per hour. Rank 2, P-51 C-10 Mustang. Top speed, 710 km per hour. Rank 3, P-47 N-15 Thunderbolt. Top speed, 760 km per hour. Rank 4, P-51 H-5-NA Mustang. Top speed, 780 km per hour, faster than the first American jet. Rank 5, F-86 F-25 Sabre. Top speed, 1,105 km per hour. Rank 6, F-104C Starfighter. Top speed, 2,350 km per hour, more than 2 times the speed of sound. Rank 7, F-111A Aardvark. Top speed, 2,450 km per hour. Rank 8, F-15A Eagle. Top speed, 2,500 km per hour.